Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning and welcome to another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation for your ears today. If you'd like to finally face those pains or issues that you have stopping you from living your life the way you want, how about you and me see if we can work together to unlock the next big thing in your life? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515. Let's book a time together and get you on the road. But first, here's your quote for today. Be happy, not because everything is good, but because you can see the good in everything. It's not all doom and gloom. There is some real good in the world, if you want to look for it. Whatever situation, try and look at it from all angles. Try and find the good in people, situations, and what you can do to make yourself go further. Put yourself further out there and the others around you. Remember, that smile of yours is contagious, and it could well be your smile that turns someone's frown upside down.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.